this time. Here comes Flying Ryan Wells. Already company coming, looking up the inside. We'll see who it is. They're side by side out of action. It's Wyatt McGuire. Johnson on the Kawasaki lost about 10 spots. He was in 4th. Now he's in about 14th spot. Off of turn number 2 down the back straightaway. It's Constantine. Ryan Wells. Washington State up to the 3rd spot right now. Poe in the 4th spot. Khalees in 5th. 16 laps of scheduled distance.